Alright guys, and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Sorry, before we go into today's strategy, for those of you who are asking how can one make money trading either synthetic indices or forex? Now you can see today being Saturday, with the software, the Millionaire Strategy software, the recent one which I told you guys that it's been updated, you can see the outcome of it. Don't worry, I'm going to take you to the screen and show you how the thing works. Probably if you are skeptical about it. I don't have business with people who are skeptical. Life is all about taking risk, but if you feel maybe it's risky, you can't take it. But if you really want to make money on forex, definitely what you need is a good strategy. Funding account with $10,000 doesn't make you win the market. No. Somebody who has little money, probably $10, can even do better than you. Why? Because he or she has a good strategy. So the secret of forex trading is having a working strategy that works and give you consistent earning. So I'll just use this privilege before we go to today's stuff. I'll show you how I was able to make this using the strategy. It's not difficult. It works on both forex and then synthetic indices, even crypto. Let me show you trade I took that was 2 or 3 days back on forex. Let me switch to my forex account. So this was on 16. You can see it whereby I traded gold using the minimal lot size. I don't overdo, despite I have a good strategy. I don't go as far as increasing the lot size because trading is a business. So you have to take it as such. Is that clear? So I'll go into the screen now and show you how it works so that you can see it. Or probably at the end of the strategy I'll show you guys so that we don't I don't delay. Let's go to today's activity. Now in today's activity, I'll only teach you how you can scalp the market using this this setup. And I usually say that when you're using a mobile strategy, always make sure that you don't overtrade. That means you don't hold trade for too long, most especially if you are new to the system and you don't understand more about technical or fundamental analysis. You only use this strategy to scalp the market when the settings are in place, then you quickly leverage on it and make profit from it. That is the idea of using all this mobile strategy we always post on our channel every time. But it is obvious that most of you don't even practice it. You just go and then you start trading live with it. So when the outcome goes bad, you start making a negative comment. So trading is not a gambling platform. Please, whichever strategy you are being taught or probably you are learning or you want to use, make sure you understand it. The market is not running. Yours is to go and get your strategy working properly before you come back. So instead of losing that little money you are trying to put in just because you want to make guess work, why not go and get a strategy in place? Then come and you'll be certain that you make not only just getting the strategy, you also have the confidence. Because most of you understand a bit of forex, but there's no confidence. That is because there's no consistency in your trading pattern. So that being said, let's get into today's activity. Now this strategy is very easy. I've been using it once in a while when I was using the mobile strategies, because most of this mobile strategy I post in my channel are some of the ones I paid for when I was learning, where I wrote them somewhere, the setup. Then the ones I use my own IQ based on the knowledge I have on forex trading to set up after backtesting and notice is working. So I have to share it as well so that you can try it out, most especially for those who are using mobile phone. But mind you, the strategy I showed you earlier on the trading platform I with either you have a mobile phone or a laptop, you are good to go. When you're using a mobile phone, all you need is a VPS. That is all. You just subscribe to a VPS, then you get all those software installed. So on today's strategy, it's very easy. Let me teach you how we use this strategy. It works on both currency pair, exactly, and it also works on synthetic indices. Now, it's a combination of momentum and breakout. Please listen very well. The strategy is mainly on momentum and breakout. That means we want to know when price is probably having that ability to move towards our direction in higher force, not just um, probably guesswork. No, we want to see things in place. Then we consider, okay, yes, this information means price is going to go up or price is going to go down. Then we'll be able to leverage on it. The first thing we are going to be looking out for is this green line, especially, and the red line. And then we also focus on the areas they occur, which is the level 90 and the level 10. So for buy, just like what we have here, what we want to see in the case of buy, please pay attention. What we want to see in the case of buy setup is this. We want to see price, this green line crossing this red line at level 10. That is the first condition. Then the second condition, we want to see price closing bullish above, we want to see price closing above the line. That means closing above the moving average. So when it occurs like that, what we do is we put few pips. Listen, please, this is where you need to pay more attention, because some of you might go and make a mistake and come back. Your stop loss should be few pips below the swing low. That means this is our swing low now. At first, let it be like 3 or 4 pips below it, not exactly where it is. Is that clear? Then you open for entry. Now when price came back, there are instances where there's going to be pullback. Please, there's going to be a pullback, or they should. So when price came back, you notice it couldn't go below it, right? It couldn't go below it. What happened? Price started pushing up. Now, what are the conditions here? What are the things you are going to see? Immediately price close above. The next thing you notice is you start seeing your parabolic SARS, which is these dot lines. You start seeing them forming. Now, when parabolic stars start forming below your candle, it is indicating support. We usually use it to track breakout and areas of support and resistance. That is the work of parabolic. One, we use it to identify support zone, resistance zone, then areas of breakout. So as it is now, this one becomes the support zone. So that is to tell you that that area, right? So that is why you have to put your stop loss below it, because definitely price will definitely go back. In as much as this condition is met here, then you should always focus on this one. So you hold it, then you make some pips, then you out of the market. Therefore, sell scenario for selling, that is conditions of probability, what you need to the things you need to see. First, you will see the cross here, but that doesn't mean you take your trade immediately. Then you wait for price to close bullish, not with wicks. You should close, a full candle should close. When a full candle close, then you take your entry. Then you put your stop loss at the swing high. Here would have been your swing high. Is that clear? Immediately price close below it, the next thing you start seeing parabolics are forming at the top. It now acts as resistance at that point. So you hold it, then definitely when you make few profit or your target for the day, you are out of the market. I said it works for both Forex and synthetic indices. Yes, it works for both Forex. So if but if you are using it on the Forex, make sure it's on the major pairs. Talking about the all the major pairs mainly. So that is the strategy. please, as usual, backtest before you go live with it. And when you make profit, don't hold it too long so that you don't end up losing it. Now, let's go for the settings. Just put this setup on your chart. You click on this icon here. Yours might be F. So when you click on it, it will take you to the indicator home. The parabolic SAR has it. Step 0.02, then the maximum is 0.2. You can use any color of your choice. Then you click on save. Exactly. Then the envelope has period 21, shift 3. The deviation should be 0.08. Then method exponential. You can use any color of your choice. Exactly, guys. You can use any color of your choice. So then you click on save. Then to create this window one, you have to go to the RSI. You have to click on this icon here. You click on the F plus icon in the main chart. It will take you to the indicator homes. Then you look for RSI. RSI should have a period of 1001, close, 4 pixels. Then the level should be 90, 10, and 50 respectively. Then you can see in the description when price is at the 10 level, we should be expecting a buy. I've also explained how it's going to look like. When price is at the 90 level, you should sell. Then price at the 50 level, you should what? You should be expecting the price to start trending. That is start trending, not S trend. It is start trending. That means price will start going towards the direction with a full force when price cross above or below. So now let's go back to the main chart and let me explain something on the RSI. Okay, the MACD. Let me just give you the MACD. The MACD should have the EMA 15, slow EMA should be 29, then MACD should be MACD SMA should be 12. Then you have these colors. Then lastly, the moving average period 1, shift 0, method linear weighted, applied to previous indicator data. Then you use 4 pixels for the style. Now, you might not notice something here. When you come to this point where we said start trending, immediately price cross above that 50, there is no doubt price will definitely trend. If price cross above that 50 level, it will start trending. So some people will tell you, okay, if they are going to take buy, they want to see the green line cross above the level 50. So immediately cross, that is when they take their own entry, because they have that confidence that price will definitely go more successfully on that direction once it cross above 50, because below 50 there is a possibility that price will get close to level 50 and it will start making pullback, but not in all cases. So during the process of practicing it, you'll be able to tell which one works better for you based on your peer or your time frame. And make sure you use 15-minute time frame, please. Very important. Make sure you use 15-minute time frame, because it works on both 5 minutes. It's just that the higher the time frame, the stronger the signals. Alright, that being said, see you in the next one. So this is the trade on the Crash 1000. For those of you who have this update version of this software, so you should be able to see where I took my entry. So because already every criteria for the entry was in place, this system is very, very, very accurate. You just need to make sure the first thing is, when you get it, what you just need to do is to study it, follow the instruction, because it has a video guide on how to use it, either you are using a mobile phone or a laptop. Exactly. So it's very easy to use, and again, very easy. Let me not just say much about everything. So it's very easy to use. It will, first of all, it will tell you probably where you should be expecting a reversal from higher time frame. Then the conditions for sell. That means if you are to take sell trade, the conditions you need to see, and if you are to take buy trade, all has been explained. I explained everything in the video guide. Not only that, I also, you can see I also trade. That was the two this is the only two pair I traded today: the volatility 10 index and the volatility and the crash 1000. You can see it. So after analyzing and do everything, so that was the trade you see. So for those of you who are still coming to my inbox asking me how accurate it is, I'm not hiding anything for you guys. It's just that it has, if you must get it, there are criteria, there are conditions you must follow to use it properly to make consistent money. It is not difficult. It's just that some of you don't, you are being patient. Then most of you don't have planning trading plan. But with this system already, uh, once you watch the video, the things you need to know, it doesn't matter if you have been trading before or not. Once you can read, once you can watch and follow instructions, that is all. So this is the updated version of the software. So that being said, let's continue with our today's activity.